10 quick tips for Microsoft Teams. Want to save a conversation you read for later? Mark it unread. Hover over the message, select the three dots, mark as unread. Keyboard shortcuts make work faster and more efficient. To find shortcuts in Teams, click the three dots beside your status icon, then the drop-down select Keyboard Shortcuts. The list of available shortcuts is now displayed. Busy or away for a specific amount of time, you can change your status to reflect. Select your status icon at the top right, click on your current status, select duration from the drop-down. Now you can choose the type of status and duration of the time to display. Want to mark down a specific message in a conversation to retrieve later? Save it by bookmarking it. Hover the message you want to save, select the three dots, click Save this message from the list. To retrieve, select your status from the top right, click Saved, and the list of bookmarked messages will appear. In a group chat and want to direct the message to an individual or a group, you can use the @ plus the name to direct your message to one or more recipients. Once in a group chat, start typing @ and the person's name you want to direct the message to. You can @ multiple names in the same message. An emergency requires urgent replies. You can emphasize the emergency by sending urgent messages on Team. Type your message, select the exclamation mark under the message. Now you can select the importance or the urgency of the message. Receive the message in a different language? Teams allows you to translate. Hover over the message and select the three dots. Select Translate from the list of options. The message will translate in the conversation automatically. You might want to come back and take notes or review a meeting after it's done. Why not record it? Once you're in a meeting, select the three dots or the more options, select Start Recording. You can retrieve the recording of the meeting in your local files. Looking for that one message about that one certain topic? You can search your messages using keywords you want to locate. You can also type from or subject before the name or the keyword to isolate it better. Need to step away from your desk but on a meeting? Transfer the meeting from Teams to your wireless device. Open the meeting from your calendar on your wireless device. Select Join. From the alert pop-up, select Transfer to this device. Your meeting will end on your desktop and will be on your wireless device. To learn more, visit our website, clickcontrol.com.